Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time clicking, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching again. My name is Olajumoke, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can DIY your brightening / lightening cream. So as you all know, on this channel I always show you super affordable products, and they are so safe on your skin. So this cream I'm about to show you today will not only lighten or tone up your skin, but the continuous usage of it will whiten your skin. Okay, so and this cream is super safe on your skin. You can use it at all time. You can use it under the sun. Okay, it won't do you any harm. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please guys, click on the subscribe button now. It is free. Okay, it is free. Nobody is charging you for that, and it won't deduct anything from you. Support this girl. If you like me, if you like what you are saying, support this girl by clicking on the subscribe button below. Okay, thank you. Okay, so without further say or do, let's dive into the video. So guys, I hope you guys are seeing it. This is Dominion Visible Body Toner. I'm using this as a cream base. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see. I'm going to pour in half of this cream, half. It's enough. So the next thing I'm going to be using is this Miracle Dam cream. And note this guys, all the tube cream I'm using on this channel are not gel. I always use the cream. The next one I'm going to be using is Head Guard cream. This is Fashion Fair cream, fast action. And also, this is pigmento oil. I hope you guys can see it. So this is what it's like. So this is pigmento oil. It's also sealed inside, sealed from the outside and also sealed from the inside. So I'm going to mix it together. This cream is super effective. If you want to tone up your skin, it is super effective. That's my other phone ringing. It's super effective. Okay, so, and this is it. This is how you can DIY your brightening / lightening cream at home. I hope you like this video and I hope you find it helpful. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful and interesting. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video. Don't hold this knowledge with yourself alone. You know, I'm sharing my own knowledge with you guys. You too share, okay? Share with your friends and family. Share this video on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook. Any platform shareable. Just share this video, okay? I will so appreciate it. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've used this type of cream before, and or if someone has prescribed it for you. And also, if you're about to use it, you're watching this video, you have in mind to use it, when you mix it and use it, please let me know what you feel about this video. Let me know how it works on you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.